What if you could save an entire day's work every month? Sounds impossible, right? Meet Ryan Ingram, the visionary behind Vacant Nests, a thriving short-term rental management company. Based in Sunderland, UK, Ryan's mission revolves around peace of mind for property owners. He seamlessly blends managed maintenance services, cutting-edge property protection tech, and robust guest vetting. Vacant Nests caters to both full-service and part-time owners, making month-end reporting a complex puzzle. Without Hostfully, Ryan juggled owner inquiries and calendar updates, drowning in administrative chaos. That all changed with the Hostfully owner portal, a game-changer for his business operations. Now, clients enjoy real-time revenue insights and effortless booking adjustments with just a few clicks. This innovation not only streamlined processes, but significantly boosted owner satisfaction. Imagine how your business could thrive with the right tech. The future of efficiency awaits.